Hey! Did you know you could destroy this annoying chariot in Elden Ring? On your path to the area boss at Fringe Folk Hero's grave, you'll find a narrow bridge you can jump off to get to a hidden ledge. Follow the path until you find another narrow bridge and drop down again. Find the lift and ride it up to the area above the chariot. From here, you can snipe these containers with a bow. If you time it right, the container will fall down onto the chariot below, destroying it. How do you like me now, motherfucker? As a reward, you'll receive a great bow. And I know the perfect way we can test out our new toy. Did you think I forgot about you? No, not him. Him!